too.
Hi everyone, we are going to Shi Fen, and today we choose the van from VLovetour. There are many kinds of car that you can choose, like taxi, van, small bus, or even the big bus. And today we choose 8 people van for our trip. Also, you can visit the website for more information. I'll put the link below.
And what I really like is this one, the charger. So if you come to take the bus, take the van, it's the van. So you can use the charger. Yeah, like this. So you don't need to worry about the battery will gone. And the van is quite new. Hi Tony. And we also have a girl from Hong Kong and Korean. Indonesian. He wear like Thai t-shirt. Hi, we all arrived at Shi Fen. Hey!
Hi!
Everyone my classmate? Okay. And this Shi Fen, Taiwan. And you can see like this beautiful waterfall behind me.